Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this gold shimmery look that I think is perfect for a night out. And you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's look, we will be using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. I first like to prep my eyelids with a concealer, and the concealer we're going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Fair. And to set our concealer, I'll be using this color right here in the corner. And then the next color, we will be using this color in the middle. And this will be more focused on the outer corner. And then we can go back and blend it. And then we can add a little bit more. And again, just focus it on the outer corner. And I like going back with my concealer and going back to the center of my eyelid and covering it, so when I put the next eyeshadow, it will make it pop more. And I like putting it in the back of my hand. We will be using this color right here, and we will just put this right where we put the concealer. And you can go back with your blending brush and just blend it a little bit. And then I like going with doing a wing eyeliner, and I like using the e.l.f. Jet Black eyeliner. And then once your eyeliner is done, your eyeshadow, you can start with putting 2 coats of mascara, or you could put some eyelashes. And I'll list down in the description box below the products listed in this video. So now for foundation, I don't really use a primer because I haven't found one that I like. But if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments below and I will try those. But for right now, I just try to remove my makeup every night and clean my face every morning, and I use a good moisturizer, and it's been working really well for me. So now for foundation, I'll be using the number 7 Airbrush Away foundation in the color Cool Beige. And the brush I used to blend out my foundation was the e.l.f. foundation brush. And I like to blend it out even more with a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Dual Fiber brush and some Fix Plus. And then we'll be using the same concealer to highlight under our eyes. And to blend that out, we're going to be using my beauty blender with some Fix Plus. And to set my face and my concealer, I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the color Transparent with another BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brush. And now for eyebrows, I will be using the Beige Day and Night 60 color eyeshadow palette. And I just use this color right here, this dark brown color. And then we can remove the powder from underneath our eye. We can add mascara to our lower lashes. to bronze our face, we'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And I like going back with my beauty blender instead of Fix Plus and blending it a little bit more so it doesn't look too harsh. And for highlight today, we will be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Press in the color Moonstone. And for lips today, we will be using the Essence Lip Liner in the color Satin Mauve. And I'm going to top it off with a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Plum Queen. And to finish the look, we will be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I'm just going to add some gold hoop earrings. So here is the finished look, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.